Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy design from one Canva account to another. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Here I have my first Canva account. As you can see, it's my first Canva account. So pretend we want to share this design to another person or just my other account. So this is how you do it. Press share, and then from there try to locate your template link. From there you can do it. So here just search for more, and then here you'll see your Canva template link. So just select that. It will make a template link for you. It will generate it and you can copy this. From copying it, let's switch to another account, and as you can see right here, this is another account. So we go here and we paste it and we press that link that we just sent to ourselves for another design. So we can use this for another design right here, and there you go. So when we refresh our Canva homepage right here, we have a copy of our own heading right here, or our own design. So there you go guys, that's how you do it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.